Student, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss question number 21 of 6.5 maxima and minima. Question is that closed cylinder are given. This is the closed cylinder. And radius is small r and height is h. Let the radius of closed cylinder be r centimeter and height be a centimeter. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Volume of cylinder is 100 cubic centimeter. 100 cubic centimeter volume of cylinder is given. What is the dimension? What is the dimension of the can which has minimum surface area? कह रहा है वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर गिवन है और कह रहा है कि व्हाट इज द डायमेंशन मींस व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ आर एंड एच विच हैज मिनिमम एरिया सरफेस ऑफ एरिया, यानी कि सरफेस ऑफ एरिया को हमें क्या करना है, मिनिमम करना है और उसकी डायमेंशन हमें फाइंड करनी है, द वैल्यू ऑफ आर एंड एच। तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ सिलेंडर इज गिवन 100 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू पाई आर स्क्वायर एच, एच इज इक्वल टू 100 अपॉन पाई आर स्क्वायर। दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ एच इन द टर्म ऑफ आर। रेडियस इज द वेरिएबल हियर, so that surface area of can, surface area of can which is cylindrical is equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Means surface area is denoted by s is equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r and the value of h is 100 upon pi r square. So only one variable here differentiating with respect to r, we get ds by dr. So 1 pi is cancelled, 1 r is cancelled. Means what? S is equal to 2 pi r square plus 200 by r. Differentiating with respect to r we get, हमको क्या करना है, इसके सरफेस एरिया को मिनिमम करना है, मिनिमाइज करना है। तो फर्स्टली डिफरेंशिएट कर दें तो ds बाई डी आर स्क्वायर इज वेरिएबल, ऑलरेडी यू नो दैट द डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2x, सो दैट डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ r स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2r, मीन्स व्हाट 4 पाई r and minus 200 upon r square, because differentiation of r is equal to minus 1 by r square. For maxima minima what, ds by dr is equal to 0, means 4 pi r minus 200 upon r square is equal to 0. It means 4 pi r is equal to 200 by r square. Cross multiplied them, then what we get? What we get? 4 pi r cube. 4 pi r cube is equal to 200. It means 50. R cube is equal to 50 upon pi. So r is equal to 50 upon pi to the power 1 by 3, which is the critical point. This is the radius of the cylindrical can. Means what? Again differentiating first with respect to x for finding the d square s upon dr square. Again differentiating equation 1 with respect to r. With respect to r, we get what we get? D square s upon dr square is equal to 4 pi. Differentiation of r is 1 and differentiation of 1 upon r square is equal to minus minus plus or 2 to the 400 by r cube. D square s upon dr square at r is equal to 50 by pi to the power 1 by 3 is equal to 4 pi and plus 400 upon what? 50 upon pi to the power 1 by 3. Means what? All is positive. 4 pi plus 8 into 50 upon pi to the power what? Pi to the power 50 to the power 1 by 3. 50 to the power 1 by 3 and 1 upon pi to the power 1 by 3. Means what? 4 pi plus 8 I into 50 to the power 1 minus 1 by 3, it means 2 by 3 upon 1 upon pi to the power 1 by 3. This is positive, this is positive. It means d square s upon dr square is positive. Positive is greater than 0. Function is what? Function is मिनिमम. फंक्शन इज मिनिमम. तो जो आपका सरफेस एरिया है वो क्या आ गया? मिनिमम आ गया. अब हम क्या करेंगे? आपकी एच की वैल्यू निकाल लेंगे. तो पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ आर इन इक्वेशन एच इज इक्वल टू, तो यहाँ से क्या हो जाएगा? पुटिंग the value of r in equation h is equal to 100 upon pi r square. So h is equal to what? 100 upon pi into 50 upon pi to the power 2 by 3. Means what? 2 into 50 upon pi to the power 1 plus 1/3 what 1 minus 1/3 1 minus 2/3 2/3 and 50 to the power 1 minus 2/3 means what 2 into 50 to the power 1/3 upon pi to the power 1/3 means 2 into 50 upon pi to the power 1/3. This is your height. This is your height. 2 into 50. H is equal to what? H is equal to 2 into 50 upon pi to the power 1/3 centimeter and radius is this centimeter. This is your answer, student. Next question. 2 into 50 upon pi to the power 1/3. Next question number 22. Question number 22 is that one wire length is given. A wire of length 28 meter is to be cut off into two pieces. 28 मीटर का ये वायर है और इसको टू पीसेज में काटना है। तो सपोज कर लीजिए ये x है और ये क्या है 28 माइनस x। दो पीसेज में काटना है। कट टू बी टू पीस। वन ऑफ द पीसेज टू बी मेड इनटू अ स्क्वायर। एक पीस का हमने क्या बना लिया स्क्वायर बना लिया। स्क्वायर बना लिया तो ये x टोटल लेंथ है तो डायमेंशन क्या हो जाएगा x/4 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 ये डायमेंशन हो जाएगा। और नेक्स्ट है एंड अदर इनटू अ सर्कल और इसको क्या बना देना है सर्कल बना देना है रेडियस। तो ये लेंथ है इट मींस व्हाट 2 pi r is equal to 28 minus x means r is equal to what 28 minus x upon 2 pi is the radius. R is equal to what 28 minus x upon 2 pi is the radius. अब क्या कह रहा है what should be the length of two pieces so that the combined area of square and the circle is minimum. Combined area of square and circle are what minimum. तो combined area of square and circle, let the length of square is equal to x/4. तो combined area of combined area of square and circle is equal to what area of square. Area of square means side square and area of circle means what pi r square. So side is x/4 to the whole square and pi and radius is what 28 minus x upon 2 pi to the whole square. So this is what a is equal to x square by 16 plus pi and this is what 28 square plus x square and minus 56x upon 4 pi square. So this is what 1 pi is cancelled. So a is equal to x square by 16 plus 28 square plus x square minus 56x upon 4 pi. Differentiating with respect to x, we get, differentiating with respect to x, what we get, dA by dx is equal to what, 2x by 16 plus 1 upon 4 pi is common, 0 plus 2x minus 56. For maxima minima, dA by dx, for maxima minima, dA by dx is equal to 0. What we get? For maxima minima, dA by dx is equal to 0, putting the value 2x by 16 plus 1 upon 4 pi, 2x minus 56 is equal to 0. Means what? 2x, 2 8 ja x by 8 and plus 2x by 4 pi minus 56 by 4 pi is equal to what? 0. It means the value क्या हो जाएगी? x by 8 plus 2x upon 4 pi is equal to 56 upon 4 pi. 8 pi is the LCM, means 8 cancel, pi x plus 4x and is equal to 56 by 4 pi. Pi are cancel, 4 to जाए and x pi plus 4 is equal to 112, x is equal to 112 upon pi plus 4. This is the dimension of x. Again differentiating, again 1 with respect to x, we get what we get, 2x by 16, it means 1 by 8, d square a upon dx square is equal to 1 by 8, and this is what, plus 1 upon 4 pi and this is 2. Okay, so d square a upon dx square is equal to 2 to the 4, 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 2 pi, which is what, d square a upon dx square at x is equal to, which is what, positive, which is positive, at x is equal to 112 upon pi plus 4 is what? Positive. So that what? Combined area is positive at x is equal to 112 upon pi plus 4, so that area will be minimum. Area will be what? Minimum. एरिया आपका मिनिमम हो गया और जो डायमेंशन ऑफ x है वो आपका क्या हो गया? 1112 अपान पाई प्लस 4, 1 अपान ये हो गया कंबाइंड एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर एंड द सर्कल. व्हाट शुड बी? लेंथ ऑफ 2 पीसेस. तो लेंथ ऑफ 2 पीसेस is equal to what? Length of so that length of 2 pieces is x and 28 minus x. तो x is equal to 1112 upon pi plus 4 and 28 minus x is equal to 28 minus 112 upon pi plus 4. 28 pi plus 4 minus 1112 upon pi plus 4 is equal to 28 pi plus 4 8 या 32, 112 minus 112 upon pi plus 4. This is cancel. What is equal to 28 pi upon pi plus 4 is the second length. ये आपकी क्या हो गई? सेकेंड लेंथ हो गई. ये आंसर हो गया एंड नेक्स्ट ये आंसर हो गया. Okay, thank you student.